Integra Group has been a process-oriented software product development and services company. We have been in the industry for a very long time. Customer satisfaction is one of the most important parameters to measure of our products and services. Customer satisfaction reflects overall success of the processes defined for the delivery of our products and services by the organization. We believe implementation of CMMI framework would help the organization to achieve multi-directional improvements in our processes and other areas in the organization. We want to make our organization a happy place to work for our employees, reduce rework, increase effectiveness. Overall, we want to have more and more satisfied customers.
Requirements is the phase where the team begins to understand what the customer really wants. The closer we get to the need, the better the chance of delivering the solution with the desired quality in the stipulated time. I think CMMI helped us break the requirements into specific goals and involve various stakeholders. The entire process of requirement management became more involving from the engineer level to the end customer.
Success of project, we all know that the estimation of effort and risk is very important. So in that aspect, coming to the effort estimation, the estimation has to cover the complexity of the requirements and the tasks so that we arrive at a more realistic effort. Whereas coming to the risk management, we understand that the formal identification of risk should happen right from the sales till through the engineering team, so that before the project initiation itself, we do have all the formally identified risks and we could plan properly to mitigate them. Following the CMMI guidelines, we are able to achieve these things, concentrate on this effort estimation and risk management, and achieve a greater success in the project execution and delivery.
As an organization, we were following processes even before CMMI. But CMMI has helped us streamline these processes. Now, typically in a project, we start with the gap analysis and then move on to the technology fit or giving the right solution to the customer. Now, when it comes to giving the right solution to the customer, there are always multiple approaches. We used to, evaluate and give the pros and cons for each approaches, but CMMI helped us to quantitatively evaluate these approaches and present the result to the customer, thus making it easier for us to convince the customer on a particular approach.
Adapting CMMI guidelines helped us to strengthen our verification process, and it resulted in reducing escape defects, thereby avoiding rework for us. The security mechanism of requirements is improved, and it ensured all the requirements are properly implemented and tested, resulting in quality deliverables.
We have been practicing CMMI process for more than a year. We could see a lot of improvements, and more importantly, the latest customer satisfaction survey indicates a jump of 7 to 10% growth in customer satisfaction index. Well, overall experience of the CMMI implementation is very positive, and looking forward for further improvement.